Let's jump into this quick explainer on installing Nuvio on your Google TV, Android, or Firestick. We're tackling this in 4 easy steps: account setup, add-ons, APK installation, and a quick sync.
First up, head to Nuvio app.space on your phone or computer and click Login. Just pop in your email and password, then hit Create Account to unlock your dashboard. Once you're in, you can easily create and tweak personalized profiles for everyone in the house.
This dashboard is actually where the magic happens. You can directly integrate third-party add-ons right here.
Simply select add-ons from that main menu and then click the Add Add-on button.
Paste your favorite Streamio add-on URL, like Torrentio or MediaFusion, and then just hit Save.
Boom, just like that, your new add-on instantly pops up in your list, ready to roll. Now, switch over to your TV, open the Downloader app, and make sure Unknown Sources is enabled. In that URL bar, type the Troy Point Toolbox code exactly, 250931.
That code drops you right into the toolbox. Just scroll down until you spot Nuvio.
Click TV Download, or if you're rocking a 64-bit device, definitely choose that option instead. Let it download, hit Install, and then, this is key, select Done rather than Open. We want to save precious storage space, so click Delete twice to trash that installation file. Okay, home stretch. For the final step, let's sync your new profile directly to your TV. Head back to your TV's home screen and launch that newly installed Nuvio app. You'll immediately see a QR code. Grab your phone, scan it, and securely sign in. Your device is officially synced. Simply choose your profile to enter the main Nuvio interface. If an update message pops up right as you enter, go ahead and click Download. Audio not working? It's a super common beta bug, but don't worry, there's a quick fix. Just dive into Settings, select Playback, and then hit the Audio and Trailer option. Change your decoder priority to Prefer App Decoders. That literally resolves almost all sound issues instantly. And that's the whole shebang. Your setup is complete and you're ready to start streaming. With profiles configured and add-ons totally synced up, the real question is, what are you streaming first?